As a professional condom manufacturer, we offer both quality standard products and customized solutions exclusive to you. All customized products have triple certifications ISO, C, FDA. Every process guarantees high standards for both safety and experience. The 3 products in the images are our benchmark customized cases for partner brands, each precisely matching different audience needs. Centered on the core selling point of 001mm skin-like touch, its packaging design focuses on the visual language of natural intimacy. It is a typical representative of our ultra-thin customized products. Combines vibrant fruit fragrances plus 3D raised dots, with color block packaging to highlight its fun and stimulating positioning. Perfectly suited for users who enjoy a dual sensory experience. Features wrapping style stimulation, with packaging that leans into a mysterious allure aesthetic. It accurately targets audiences pursuing deep pleasure.